Hi all, in this video I'm going to show you how to operate the secondary motor. Usually that's the motor that's on top of your robot attached to a grabber arm or a lifter. It's the motor that you're not using for your wheels. Okay, so to program that, we're going to go over and click where it says motors in blue. These blue programming blocks are the ones that we use for that secondary motor. And wherever you want it to move in your program, that's where we'll put these blue blocks. I have a program where my robot has moved a little bit, driven around the floor, and now I want that arm to move. I'm going to start by selecting the Set Speed to Programming piece and put it right in place. And now I'm going to click this A, and I'm going to select whichever port my secondary motor is connected to. You can see mine is already connected to A, and if your robot is on, and your secondary motor is plugged in, it will actually show up. If you want to plug it into B, you can select B, F, E. You can select any port you want. So we're going to pick A because that's where I have mine. And now I'm going to set the movement speed. I find typically the arm doesn't need to move too fast in most situations. I'm going to set the speed of 30%. See how that goes. And I'm going to tell it to move. To get it to move, we're going to select the top programming block that says run for number of rotations. Put that underneath. Again, A is selected, that's where my motor is. The second option here tells you the direction, or you're telling the robot the direction you want it to turn. You will have to experiment with this and just kind of guess what direction you think left and right are with that motor. You can always come and switch it to the opposite one if your arm moves in the opposite direction you want it to. And then for this last part, I recommend changing it from rotations to degrees. Now you can think of your arm. If it goes all the way around, that would be 360 degrees. If I want my arm to move from an up position to down, maybe I'll try a 90-degree turn. Maybe I'll do 100 degrees, maybe all the way up to 180. But I find degrees is a lot more precise and it works better for moving your arm. Try 90 degrees to start. And now if I want to have my robot move after that, I can continue dragging out the pink bricks and continue to have it roll around the floor. Good luck.